Automation and Control Private Limited, Pune. The components seen in this clipping are sintered products, which are manufactured from metal powder. Metal powder is compacted in compacting presses, which is called as forming operation. After forming operation, traditionally, these formed components are manually loaded on trays and then passed through sintering furnace to achieve the necessary strength and hardness. During this manual tray loading operation of these formed components, large number of components get damaged due to the brittle nature of component before sintering. This manual handling and the loss due to damage of components is completely avoided with the use of the state-of-the-art palletizing unit developed by Automation and Control Private Limited, Pune. The palletizing unit consists of trolley indexing unit, tray loading and unloading station, input belt conveyor for component loading, pick and place unit, 3-axis servo controlled X, Y, Z slide mechanism, and PLC based electronic controls with MMI display for sequential operation. The palletizing operation sequence. 50 numbers empty trays are loaded in the palletizer trolley, which is specially designed and manufactured for palletizing unit. This trolley is manually placed in the trolley indexing mechanism of the palletizer, and safety door provided is locked by the operator. The operator then puts the unit in auto cycle mode and the auto cycle operation of the unit starts. During the auto cycle operation, following sequential operations take place. Trolley indexing unit indexes the trolley to the first tray part. Servo-controlled Y-axis slide moves forward, grips both the trays and brings the empty trays on the tray loading station. The components coming out from the compacting press is taken on the inlet belt conveyor of the palletizer unit, which in turn is taken at the pickup point on the belt conveyor. The pick and place unit mounted on the Z-axis slide picks up the components and places the same on the tray sequentially with the help of servo-controlled X-axis slide. The electronic controls are programmed for sequential loading of complete trays in an organized form in rows and columns. After the complete loading of both the trays are pushed back in the trolley by the Y-axis slide. The Y-axis slide releases the trays and retracts back. The trolley indexing unit then indexes to the second position and the cycle repeats. This operation continues till all the 25 indexing positions are achieved and all 50 trays are loaded. There is a precision limit switch provided which indicates the topmost position of the trolley, and the unit stops at an audio-visual indication in the form of siren and glowing lamp is given. The trolley then is brought down to the ground position automatically from where it is manually removed, and next empty trolley is loaded in its place for next loading cycle. The salient features of this unit are THK Japan make slides, Mitsubishi Japan make servo controllers and PLC, Bejer Sweden make user-friendly MMI, highly reliable proximity switches and precision limit switches, user-friendly and easy-to-use programming software for loading different components of various shapes, sizes and dimensions. Programming of this unit is very easy and needs only the following data which is to be fed by the user. Shape of component, i.e. round, rectangular, etc. Dimension, such as diameter, width, height, etc. Distance of placement in trays between two components. Tray margins and tray dimensions. Based on this data, keyed in by the operator, the PLC defines the number of rows and columns required in one tray and programs the logic of X, Y and Z axis servo movement to ensure that all the trays are filled properly without component damage and with maximum usage of tray space. All normal safety and logic norms are provided to ensure safe, trouble-free operation of the unit to achieve complete customer satisfaction.